is actually the second time I've been to the Chesapeake Writers Conference. I was here about 2 years ago. Well, 2 years ago.
My favorite part has been how much I've learned. I've heard that other conferences don't have as much classroom time, and I've really enjoyed the classroom time. The last English class I took was probably in 1974 when I was in high school. So my undergraduate work, my master's degree, I had no English classes, so this has been very helpful.
So I think being surrounded by a community of like-minded people, people totally invested in writing and improving their craft, and at the same time, exuberant about interacting with other people's craft as well, willing to comment on it, willing to revise it, willing to give you input to make you a better writer. I think that's, and just the people you meet fascinating people from all kinds of backgrounds that you wouldn't really have the opportunity to otherwise.
Well, gosh, I think the workshops themselves. I mean, the talks are great. Just being with all the people, having meals with all these fascinating people is great. But the workshops are unbelievably intense and yet great fun.
My role was I read as part of the faculty on Monday, and I also did a craft talk on fiction on the second day of the conference.
Interacting with other people, especially people who have published already. And also Patricia Henley is wonderful. She has so many different writing prompts she's given us and ideas for using our writing.
I would say, strategies for writing, lots of techniques and approaches to inspiration that I didn't have before, and just meeting all kinds of people and again, people from all kinds of backgrounds and different art styles that I couldn't do that somewhere else, at least not in this compressed fashion that we get at the Writers Conference. You meet so many people in such a short amount of time and form some great relationships.
Yes, I think I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. I wanted to be able to have someone critique what I had written, and that has happened several times. The only other person who's ever read what I've written is my daughter, so this was very helpful.
Definitely strategies for writing, definitely friendships. I mean, the other people in my workshop are just a joy to work with. And everyone who comes to a workshop like this is an interesting person that we'd love to spend time with.
Getting to meet new writers, making new friends, watching and listening to the works of young people, and also listening to professionals talk about their work, their philosophies, and just having a wonderful time talking writing with a range of expertise and professionals and people.
I hope I've gained some friendships and certainly strategies for writing. Every single day has been filled with ideas. I've got a notebook full of ideas I've written down and different strategies for approaching something also.
It is a blast. We have so much fun. I haven't had this much fun in years.